see if I can catch this one knocking on my door. Right now, just jumped off my screen. I think I've been spotted. Well, let's do this. Where'd you go? Come on. You were just knocking on my door. Come on. Come on, Diva. Come on, honey. Don't knock on my door and run away. Rained pretty good last night. It's actually like 20 degrees colder today than it was yesterday. Well, I say colder than yesterday, but about a 20-degree drop. It's probably 50-something right now. So I'm cold because I'm not exactly dressed to be outside at the moment. So I'm just gonna stick those under there. There you go. And I'm gonna go in now, okay?